UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He has approved land ownership rights for the Hindu refugees from Bangladesh who have been living in the state for decades now, which means that over 10,000 families in Uttar Pradesh are all set to now benefit from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's landmark decision to grant land ownership rights to the refugees. This initiative not only provides legal security but also aims to rehabilitate and empower thousands of settlers who have been living in the state for decades without any proper ownership. Now let's take a closer look at the key districts where the land allotment will actually take place. The beneficiaries will be settled across Pilibhit as well as Lakhimpur Kheri as well as Bijnor and Rampur, the 4 districts that have been identified under this major rehabilitation move. This decision has triggered sharp political reactions. The UP Congress chief Ajay Rai has hit out at the Yogi government, calling the move divisive and a deliberate attempt to pit Hindus against Muslims. Echoing similar concerns, the SP spokesperson Amik Jamai has also said that India does not discriminate on the basis of religion, questioning why faith is a factor in this decision. On the other hand, the State Minister Baldev Singh has lauded the move, calling it a bold and much needed step by the Chief Minister.
सरकार केवल और केवल हिंदू और मुसलमान और हिंदू केवल बंटवारे की राजनीति कर रही है। कभी ये छांगुर बाबा को लाती है, कभी ये अनावश्यक रूप से जहां मस्जिद को गिराने का काम करती है, मंदिरों को तोड़ने का काम करती है और पूरी तरीके से जबरदस्ती कॉरिडोर के नाम पर आपने देखा वृंदावन के अंदर वहां भी कब्जा करने का प्रयास किया, इन्होंने करने का प्रयास किया है। तो ये केवल और केवल बंटवारे का काम करते हैं। तो जनता समझ चुकी है, अब इनको जवाब दे रही है।
ये अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने जो उनको घर देने की बात कर रहे हैं, बेशक वो ऐसे समय में वहां से आए प्रताड़ित होकर, लेकिन ये स्वामी विवेकानंद का भारत है। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के मुताबिक भारत धर्मों में विभेद नहीं करता है। हुकूमतें कर सकती हैं। जिन भारतीय फौजों की मदद बांग्लादेशी नागरिकों ने करी थी, पाकिस्तान की साइड से जिस तरह का कत्लेआम उनके साथ हुआ, वो भारत में आए और पिछले करीब 50 साल से भारत में वो बांग्लादेशी मुसलमान भी रह रहे हैं। तो हमारा ये मानना है कि जो लोग भारत के साथ खड़े होकर पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जिन्होंने मदद करी, उसमें धर्म देखने की क्या जरूरत है।
देश को 76 साल हो गए हैं देश आजाद हुए, मगर किसी भी मुख्यमंत्री ने ये बात नहीं सोची कि आपने देखा, चाहे पाकिस्तान जब हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान का बंटवारा हुआ, उसके बाद बहुत सारे लोग, सिख समाज के लोग, बांग्लादेश के जब ईद बंटवारा हुआ तो बहुत सारे बंगाली लोग और बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे जो बंटवारे के समय इधर उधर भटकते रहे और उन्होंने अपना जहां बैठे थे अपना वहां बैठने का काम किया। मगर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि उनको माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, क्योंकि जहां तक उन्हें अभी तक भूमि का अधिकार उनको नहीं मिला था।
My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the unprecedented decision being taken by the UP government. Adib, firstly, take us through the decision that the Yogi government has taken. How many people is it going to impact? Which are the areas where they will have the land ownership rights? What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, see, there are families, around 10,000 families of the East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, and there are 10,000 families in around Pilibhit, Rampur, Moradabad, Lakhimpur Kheri. These are the districts where most of these families are living for quite a long period of time, and they came between 1960 to 1975. And now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has given a strict direction that all these families, they should be given land so that they can easily live in Uttar Pradesh. And CM has also said if there's any free land available, then the local district administration should ensure that they are being given plots so that these families can easily live. Now this has drawn a sharp attack from the opposition parties, including Samajwadi Party and Congress. Both are questioning the intent that why only Hindus families are being selected. But Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has made it very clear that those who came from the East Pakistan and now it's being called as Bangladesh, they should be given land in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, the administration has selected, they have narrowed down around 10,000 families as such who are living in Uttar Pradesh, and they are in the need of land, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has given clear directions for that, Pratibha.
Okay, all right, Adib. So the Chief Minister has clarified that this is for those who are already staying in the state for the last several decades. So the land ownership rights will be given only to those who have been in the state for some time now. Apart from that, the question that is being raised on the by the opposition, Adib, is there any more clarity that has come in from the government on that? The opposition says, why look at the religion?
Well, Pratibha, see, the opposition is making allegations that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and the Uttar Pradesh government is being selective, but the Uttar Pradesh government has made it very clear that the land will be given to those people who have been living in Uttar Pradesh for quite a long period of time. In fact, those who came between 1960 to 1975, so those people will be given land without any discrimination. The Uttar Pradesh government will not be discriminating between any families or any religion, and they will be giving land to those people who came in Uttar Pradesh between 1960 and 1975, and they have been living here for quite a long period of time. So these families will now be given the land by the Uttar Pradesh government, and opposition is now targeting the Yogi government on the directives given by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, saying that the state government is being selective when it comes to giving such benefits to the people of Uttar Pradesh.
Okay,
Pratibha.
all right. So the opposition's charge is that they're being selective. The controversy rages on. We're keeping a track of that. Adib, do stay with us as we shift